Hello everyone, today we are going to make Cosmopolitan cocktail. It's a classical modern cocktail. For that we require 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is the vodka. Today we are taking the absolute vodka for that. And this is lemon juice which provides citrus flavor to the cocktail. And here we have with us the king of this cocktail, that is the cranberry juice. And for this cocktail we require triple sec, or we can also make this cocktail with cocoa.
Don't forget to chill the glass before making the cocktail. The room temperature served cocktail is a heinous crime against the humanity. So always take your cocktail very seriously. Fill the glass with lots of ice. Don't save it for your future retirement, right? And secret to any economical cocktail is to add the cheaper ingredients first. But seeing the prices of lemon nowadays, am I doing the right thing? Write your views in the comment section. The color of Cosmo must be light pink, like face of the girlfriend. Don't make it like face of your angry wife. Add the cranberry juice, very little and very wisely. You can add triple sec or cointreau in this cocktail. I am adding Monin triple sec syrup. Add vodka around 45 to 60 ml of your own choice of brand. Take the drink until chilled, roughly around 18 to 20 seconds. Strain the drink into a pre-chill glass and appreciate the light pink color. Garnish the drink with a lemon.
So here is your drink. Cheers, ladies.